The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sandwich, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, Bartlett, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Campton Hills, Plano, Sandwich, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Boulder Hill, Elburn, Wayne and Valley View, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 106 and 120. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ 81 Lockport.